I am Dr. Nikhil Patel. Welcome back in the second video of solar system creation. In the first video, we have created planets from Mercury to Pluto, including Earth, and we have textured them. We have left out bump mapping, which we are going to do just now in this video. We are making alterations in the sun texture, thereby producing glare and imparting some properties to the sun globe effect. We are summarizing the different planets, how they look in rendered view. Here's how it looks to Uranus. Now we come to the 2D bump attributes for all planets. One important point to elicit at this stage is never overdo bump mappings. That will distort the texture. We are assigning the same files which we assigned for the texturing of the planets. Same files are to be assigned for the bump mapping. We change the values of the bump depth. That's all. That is the sequence. Outer planets which are gaseous in form, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are to be assigned the lower bump values, while the inner planets, Earth, Venus and Mercury, especially Mercury, the bump value increases, bump depth increases. And the Mars, even sister planet, neighbor planet of Earth, very rocky and crusty, will assign fair amount of bump depth. We are dealing with Saturn. Although we showed Uranus, we selected Saturn and altered the bump mapping values and Saturn ring. Thereby, primitively, we will complete the setup of the solar system creation, primary setup. We will not indulge into advanced details and advanced effects in the animation. Our aim is to produce a good animation without entering into exquisite intricacies of the model production animation. That is Earth. File bump depth of 1.3. That will be okay. Earth map texture file, same assigned to the bump effects. That looks okay. Venus, we have not produced the atmospheric halo and glare of the Venus. That is beyond of this video tutorial. Same file, Venus map for bump mapping. That looks fine. And Mercury, we'll put some higher value for the bump depth, and it is about 0.5. and we will assign motion paths for our moon, Earth's moon, and taking that example we can imitate those techniques to the other planets. Now we are assigning moon orbit concentric to Earth. We produce a curve, enlarging the curve to the desired level. There is the moon. You don't need to shift the moon to the orbit. Automatically it gets attached to the motion path. Motion path, attached to motion path. The end time would be 30. We assign each key, one key for 1 day. It's done. The moon would rotate around the Earth. It stops at 30th key. We have to modify it in the graph editor. Here is the graph of the motion of moon around the Earth. Post-infinity cycle, and tangent has to be linear. It would go on rotating around the Earth for infinity. Now we are producing Saturn ring. Again, let me tell you, we will not enter into finer intricacies of the production. We try to have a fair model. Torus. You can change the attributes, characteristics in Polytorus 1 attribute editor. You can change radius, section radius, trace subdivisions axis and subdivisions height, and many more things. We produce a miniature model of a solar system of vast scale, and that miniature model implies us to have the lower figures in the scale of the model. We will assign a file texture. There it is, Saturn ring JPG. You can download all those images, compile a library, you can use it and change the attributes of transparency, ambient color, bump depth and glow, etc. to your satisfaction. Make it a point the ultimate rendered view should be referred to. We will assign planetary rotation, revolutions and the planetary appendages later on in the upcoming videos. We can take off certain portions of the ring to produce separations in the ring of the Saturn. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Join me in third video.